Good morning. Welcome to Satsang. You are that. Says the mind. You are that which shines by itself, sometimes through no mind, sometimes through mind. There is no separation. And if it looks like there is such a thing as a separation, it's an illusion which appears of the world. It is as simple as that. But the drama of the human looks like he knows only the tool of the mind to function, to live. And that arrogance grows up till he believes the somebody I am is real. So the mind makes it complicated because already the complication in itself, it looks like, because it's dual. As for your real nature is not dual. So? Yes.
I got shaken, like before the mind seemed didn't have much power anymore.
Yeah.
And nothing really stuck there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And now it's not like that?
No.
It's because your sister came, I guess. Some reason, something.
I think the shaking started before she came.
Yeah, but you knew she was coming. Anyway, joke or not, so suddenly the mind looks like real. Huh? Yeah, because you see, never left. He was subdued. It's a bit like in sleep state. It looks like there is no mind, but there is a mind, but latent, in a seed form. While in the waking state, it's fully blossomed in many trees. So it's very good that you are shaken. Yeah, very good. So where are you now? Where are you lost now?
I'm not lost now.
Okay, you are not lost. How come? What you do for that? Okay. Then if you are not lost, it means you speak of something else than the mind. Huh? Okay. So that the mind is troublesome or quiet, who is caring about that? It has to be. It has to be. Even if it is not every day, sometimes this way, that way. Even if it is only a few weeks or a few years even, it will be this way, that way. The mind cannot be different. So, don't worry.
I was speaking because I thought that something went wrong.
Yeah, nothing went wrong. What is wrong is to think that something went wrong. You have to understand that you are not the doer of your mind. You cannot control this mind. It is the destiny attached to your person. And so don't make an effort to change whatever appears. No? Yeah?
To follow up on what he just said,
Yeah.
Is it the mind that was shaken? When he said, I was shaking, it's the mind that was shaken.
Yeah, or it could be also the feelings, the body, but it's the mind, yeah? What else could shake?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah,
What
right.
else? Yeah.
My question is, I remember on Monday, people were mentioning the tyranny of the mind, the tyrannical mind,
Tyranny.
a few times.
The tyranny.
Yeah, the tyrannical mind.
Mm.
And I wondered if that was like natural to the mind
To be a tyrant.
dictator.
Yeah.
We create.
He has that pride. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure. He's
Okay.
born with that pride.
Okay. So you can't be like a nice.
It will be a pride to be nice.
Yeah.
So nothing is changed.
So there's potential.
Hmm?
Sorry, there's potential for it not to be dictatorial.
No,
Oh, it doesn't
no.
matter. Okay.
No, there is no chance for the mind. You are just not to confuse yourself for the mind.
Okay.
Then it becomes your devotee.
Okay.
Not the contrary.
Exactly. In which case, that's very positive.
Yeah, a devotee sometimes is a devotee, sometimes a rakshasa, a demon, you know. That you have to accept also, the appearance of it.
Now one other, if that's okay. So sometimes I find that words get a bit too, I get lost in them sometimes.
That you lost.
I get lost in words.
Yeah, sure.
Things I'm thinking about, things I've said, things I should have said, would have said. And I was wondering is that just an absolutely clear example of the mind?
Of course.
Because basically words are of the mind.
Yes.
And something, the true self,
Yeah, you see.
is wordless.
Yes,
Like
right.
me now.
Yeah,
Turn
sure.
myself off.
Yeah. What's going on there? Yes.
Yeah.
So you are clear about what's the mind.
Yeah.
So who are you?
The other thing.
Dirty. Don't make it a thing and then all is all right.
The other.
So maybe to the next friend. You can take it? You want to say something? Not yet.
Maybe later.
Yeah, okay. So passa. If anybody wants to share the conviction he has got, or doubt, or an experience, why not now? Because you see, if you keep anything, you will lose it. So what you will do if you lose your landing place? Yeah. You give the mic, please.
No, it's not working anymore.
Ah, okay, so you speak loudly, please.
Okay. So yesterday I asked about the self-realization and I couldn't really remember everything you said. So can you just repeat about if it can be veiled by Maya or by the mind, can a cloud of Maya kind of obscure it? Yeah.
But what is self-realization? You know, it means that you are no more fooled by the mind, which is an appearance. You know, it's just an appearance. It's a mirage, it's a dream passing by. That is self-realization. So you know you are not that. So there is no question of veiling. Like the sun, is it veiled by the clouds?
Yeah.
No. For the sun, it's not veiled by the clouds.
Oh, no, for the sun,
Yeah.
for us.
Yeah, because you place yourself on a planet somewhere. I mean that you have a landing place. So the landing place for the human is, I am a human. Why? Because I am born. I have this body. We don't say I have. I am this body-mind. That is the landing place. And from there, it looks, everything, of course, from there looks true. While in fact, you are like the sun, rather. You see, it's an image. But so there is no question of being veiled.
So that's just a mirage, the clouds of Maya, the mind. It's just a mirage.
Yeah. But it appears.
Thank you.
It appears so. So nobody's troubled by anything. I wish so. Is it your truth? Yeah.
C'est possible pour traduire?
Uddhava est là? Radha? Oui, merci. Tu fais pas compliqué, s'il te plaît.
Quand je prends la parole,
Oui.
je gère plus rien. Ni mon langage, ni ce qui sort. Du coup,
Attends, j'ai pas compris.
quand je prends la parole,
Oui.
je ne gère pas ce que je dis. Ça sort et je perds tous mes repères.
It comes out and I lose all my reference points.
Oui, et alors?
Et alors, je ne sais pas si je fais simple ou compliqué.
Ok, fais comme tu veux.
To make it more difficult.
Je fais des efforts quand même.
But I try.
Je suis déjà ce que je cherche.
I'm already what I'm looking for.
La seule chose
The only thing
qui m'empêche de l'être, c'est la croyance
is,
que je ne le
which
suis pas.
hinders me of being it is the belief.
Yeah.
The belief.
That I am not. Yes. Oui. Et alors, si tu te décris très bien, c'est la croyance que je ne le suis pas.
You
Alors pourquoi est-ce que
describe
tu-
very well that it's the belief that I'm not it.
Pourquoi est-ce que tu la gardes, cette croyance?
And why do you keep this belief?
Elle est basée sur quoi?
On what is it based?
Intellectuellement, je vais dire sur une illusion.
Intellectually, I can say it's based on an illusion.
Non, non. Maintenant, on est pratique.
But now we are practical.
Elle est basée sur quoi, cette croyance que tu ne l'es pas? Tu dois bien,
Based on which belief that you are not that.
tu dois bien avoir une idée de ce que
Have an
c'est
idea what it is,
ta vraie nature
your real nature,
qui ne correspond pas
which
avec
doesn't correspond
ce qui est.
to what
Donc c'est quoi ce concept de ce que tu es vraiment?
So this concept of what I am really, what you really are, is what?
Comment devrais-tu être, oui,
How
Pour,
should you
pour ne plus, pour que la croyance disparaisse?
be so that the belief is disappearing?
Libre de tout concept.
Free of all concepts.
Libre de la croyance que je suis une personne.
Free of the belief that I'm a person.
Eh oui, j'ai compris.
I
Mais
understand
pourquoi, sur quoi cette croyance, je suis une personne, est basée?
on what is this belief that I'm a person.
Tu fais des références tout de
You
même
make references
pour dire ça.
to say that.
Oh, je me fâche encore. Oh, je suis encore gourmand. Oh, je ne sais quoi, moi. Il y a bien quelque chose qui fait
There's something
que tu crois que tu ne l'es pas.
that makes that you
Qu'est-ce que
believe
c'est?
that you're not that. So what is it?
L'attachement au corps et au passé.
My attachment to the
Au
body
passé.
and to the past.
L'attachement au passé.
The attachment to the past.
Ça, c'est sûr que l'attachement au passé
This is sure. The attachment to the past
va sembler, pour celui qui
seems
est attaché au passé,
who is attached
va
to the
sembler, c'est un grand voile. Ça,
past
c'est
seems
sûr.
a big way. That is sure.
Donc,
So
la question n'est pas
that's the question is
d'avoir quelqu'un avec un mental détaché du passé,
not to have to be somebody who is not attached to the past.
la question est de savoir, suis-je vraiment
The question is, am I
cette
really
personne attachée au passé?
this person who is attached to the past?
Et si je me pose la question, mais qui suis-je vraiment?
And if I ask
Où
myself,
vas-tu?
who am I really? Where are you
Où
going?
vas-tu?
Where?
Tu me réponds.
Answer.
Hier,
Non,
Yes,
tu me réponds.
No, you answer.
Où vas-tu
Where do
quand tu
you
te
go
poses la question,
when you ask
qui
yourself,
suis-je vraiment?
who am I really?
Celui qui croit qu'il est attaché au passé.
The
Qui
one
est
who
ce je?
feels that he's attached
Qui est
to
ce
the
je?
past, who is
Qui
that
suis-je?
I? Who am I?
C'est difficile de mettre des mots.
It's difficult to put words.
Non, c'est pas difficile.
It's not difficult.
Je suis.
Où vas-tu quand tu te poses cette question?
When you ask this question,
Je vais là où je ne connais pas.
Hmm?
Là où je ne connais pas.
there where I don't know,
Bien, mais est-ce qu'il y a du passé là?
that is there.
Ah,
It's
c'est
there.
ça, je veux en venir là.
That's what I want to say.
Dans cette direction, il n'y a pas de passé.
In this direction, there is no past.
Mais bien sûr, ton attachement au passé va faire que tu vas essayer vite de te rattraper
Does that you really want to get yourself back,
et de te rattacher à quelque chose de connu qui est du passé.
to link yourself to something which is known from the past,
Non, which is the past.
which is the past.
Hmm?
Et que ce soit le passé ou les pensées,
Ok.
je suis rattrapé tout le temps.
Mais oui, bien sûr. Mais c'est pour ça qu'il faut vouloir se libérer.
That's why you have
C'est
to
pour
try
ça
to
que
do
c'est
it.
ici que le désir de libération... En fait, le satsang, on devrait avoir quelqu'un à la porte de ceux qui rentrent ici. Parce que il faudrait pouvoir voir
To see
si on a le feu pour la libération, si c'est ça le moteur qui en fait entrer ici. Parce que sinon, ça sert à rien ce que je raconte.
doesn't serve it all.
En effet, si tu préfères
If you prefer
ton mental,
your mind,
donc parler de la libération, c'est comme
to speak about liberation is
c'est comme quoi?
like what?
C'est une poussière sur le...
It's a dust.
Il faut être clair sur ce que l'on veut.
You have to be
Et
clear
le
about what
satsang
you want.
ne parlera qu'à celui
Only to those
qui veut la libération, même s'il ne sait pas encore exactement ce que ça veut dire, mais
they don't know yet
il
exactly
veut
what it means.
quelque chose d'autre
He
que ce
wants
qu'il
something
connaît jusqu'à présent.
than what he knows until
Et il est prêt, si c'est nécessaire,
if necessary
de laisser tomber
to let go
ses croyances.
his beliefs.
Parce que si on n'a pas ce minimum de
If you don't have
feu,
this minimum of fire,
ben, il vaut mieux mûrir un petit peu plus à l'extérieur.
it's better outside to get ripe more outside. From here.
Jusqu'à ce qu'on devienne pourri.
Until one is too ripe, overripe.
Je n'ai pas entendu.
Podrido, oui, pourri. What? C'est trop gentil. Non, c'est très bien traduit. Rotten, rotten. Hein, je t'écoute. Monsieur qui croit qu'il n'est pas.
The one who believes that you are not that.
Je n'ai pas à discuter ce que tu dis,
I
mais
don't have to dispute what you're saying.
il y a un élan qui m'amène ici et
Oui.
There's an
une
elan which
maturation
brings
qui
you
se
here.
fait.
That
Oui, mais
rises
je suis obligée de te secouer quand même.
But I have to shake you.
Je sais bien que tu es venu de loin,
I know
et que tu
you
viens
come
ici.
You come here.
mais parfois on doit être secoué comme un prunier. non?
Sometimes you have to be shaken like a tree.
Je reconnais que j'en ai besoin et j'apprécie.
Donc,
I
Le tout,
understand
c'est que
that I need it
ça déclenche.
and I appreciate.
Ça,
Le tout, c'est que ça déclenche chez moi.
It's
Oui,
it's
mais
that
est-ce-
it clicks in me.
est-ce que tu te rends compte que ta croyance, je ne suis pas cela, est basée sur des sensations du corps, sur des émotions qui te semblent réelles, sur des idées que tu as sur la libération. Donc, c'est vraiment le personnage qui a pris le sujet en main et il n'a que ces références-là. Alors que la direction donnée en satsang est « je ne suis pas le corps, je ne suis pas le mental en réalité ». Et c'est là une méditation naturelle qui doit prendre le dessus sur ces fameuses expériences que l'on a dans ce système connu. Et c'est là que l'investigation du soi, ou quelconque mot qui frappe en satsang, qui vous renvoie à cela même que vous êtes, est très important. Encore et encore, je vais l'appliquer. Et je ne veux pas de cet argument. Ah, mais donc c'est encore un exercice, une pratique. C'est une pratique sans objet. Qu'est-ce que te vient là? Qui voit ce rien?
C'est pas la personne.
It's not the person.
Reste tranquille là. Sois ce que tu es. Et sache que tout ce qui te semble important, tout ce qui te rattache à quelque chose, ce sont des vieilles habitudes illusoires. Et je ne suis pas cela. Je ne suis pas ceci, je ne suis pas cela. Ok, ça va mieux là. Oui. Tu prends un micro. Merci.
Ganga. The last few months has been very hard. How to not believe, how to stay me in this hardship.
Whenever it comes to you, just drop the belief that you were lost. Whenever. You see, the time to be so-called lost is not important. What is essential is that second where, oh, where I was in my mind. And you are yourself. The life will not spare you. It doesn't spare anybody. She's the best biter.
How to remember it cannot really touch me.
Read. Be with the friends who love that. Come to satsang. and be more and more attracted to free yourself this life. You see, it's not about an attainment. So you don't need time. You are it. Next. Valmiki. Quite like Valmiki. Quiet like Valmiki. He wrote a lot, no? Huh? Yes. So I cannot disturb you. Johannes, you want to speak? You are Johannes, no? Ah, Jonathan. Sorry, Jonathan.
Actually, just on the way coming here,
yes,
I had a very emotional argument with my partner in the car.
yes.
So I'm still sitting here and thinking about the argument and what she said and what I said.
Oh, Annepeli, you are with your shoes outside still then. You see the symbol of putting the shoes outside, or the sandals, is that I put my mind here. Leave me a break.
But how do I put it outside? To put the sandals was very easy.
But no more if you know that it's your mind. You want to do it again? You just go out, put your sandals, then put them back there and come. Please. With that knowledge.
I try my best.
Yes. You give the mic to somebody. you give the mic to somebody. Give the mic to somebody.
I am the partner. To be honest, I just call this mindfuck, like
so soon. Great. So, now tell me. What do you want? Don't go to what you know. Huh?
What I want?
Yes. What makes you come to satsang?
Well, actually, my partner, she saw you before, and
She tries to convince you.
no, she didn't need to convince. I was open.
No, you had an argument. That's all. Okay. So pass on that to your friend.
Okay. Good luck.
So what makes you come to satsang?
I was on your retreat about 10 years ago in Hungary, and I met you several times. And also this fire, it was really strong in me in that time. And then I took a break in the past few years, to be honest, and because I felt I'm going a little bit crazy in this search.
Mm-hmm.
And but also that was a process because I felt I'm grounding a little bit more, because I really didn't feel grounded when I
whatever you know the reasons, the mind will always find a good reason. Yes. So you came back with fire or with what?
Well, I always want to get enlightened if possible.
If possible.
Yeah. So I'm also open now. But yeah, it's a bit difficult.
Okay, give passants to somebody. Something makes you come here. Something makes you come here. Yeah? So, what is it?
My body.
Nature.
Yeah, nothing to do with my body.
How to? How to what?
What?
What did you say?
My body.
Yeah.
I think the main reality now is that is happening to my life. So, trying to understand, because
Try to understand what?
in which way my body and what is happening now is supporting my life, or is supporting my understanding of what is going on in the background of my life. So, for a few 9 months now, something is happening through my body about my joints.
Yeah, but satsang it's about, I want to know myself,
Yeah.
whatever it means.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing which is striking in satsang is I am not the body,
Yeah.
and I'm not the mind.
Yeah.
You know
I
that.
can relate with that, but anyway, I feel like even if I'm not my body, I have a body.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So if something is happening to my body, in which way this is connected with my essence also? With my
Knowing.
Huh?
Knowing.
So then, why my body is not calling me attention?
Because it doesn't want you to be free.
Sorry?
It doesn't want you to be free. So the body or the feelings, according to everyone, it will be different, or the conceptualizing mind will make a mess, so that you get very, very easy with that. Don't forget me, please. You're my best friend, you're my lover. And then you don't get free.
So, the next question is, what for I have a body?
No idea.
What's the meaning of that? If it is any meaning.
You go on searching, I have no idea. You see, a strange thing is, you need a body to hear you are not the body. That's already a little bit a reason. Apart from that. You need a human incarnation to hear you are already free. Even gods, you see, they have to go to gurus. Animals also. Laurence, pourquoi tu ne veux pas parler? Why you don't want to speak?
I don't have a question.
Okay. Is it you have no question because you don't find one, or you why you don't have questions?
I don't find one right now.
Yeah.
I have urge, but
Yeah.
so I'm listening. It's
Okay.
already happening.
Okay. And you see, what you listen is to be struck by what am I am really, my real nature, is even before the rising of my mind. It's before. So it will not be through the best answers to questions. But it doesn't mean that a mind finding no questions is it, because the mind is still looking like real.
I'm aware of it.
Yeah. So, question the subject. Question the subject, the owner of the mind. Is there any owner of the mind? What does it mean? What does it mean to be owner of a mind?
No, to be free.
Hmm? Yeah, but now you are an owner of the mind. Yeah? So, you are not very happy to be an owner of the mind. Yes. So, who told you you have to stick to that label? Nobody. At least here, nobody. Isn't it? And it's just a label. So, go at the source where before that label is rising. Or you are there already, but don't grasp the label. Just now. It doesn't take time. Everything which comes from here, you see, is the mind. Just an appearance in the form, concrete, abstract, whatever, with names, forms. It's just an appearance. And this comes from me. This comes from what I am. It appears from what I am. It disappears where I am. That's all. So Anna, you are waiting what for? You are waiting.
When you spoke to her, it somehow, it was felt very deeply inside.
So you are still waiting for something?
Well,
Tell me.
It will not stay. It is like flesh.
Why you pick up that thought? Why? You put yourself purposely in time. Why? You believe that the thought is real?
Only in that moment. But of course it's not real.
Then, do you live ever that moment? The rest comes and goes.
Yeah.
Yeah? Then, what did you hear? What I am doesn't come nor goes. Then why are you disturbed if something appears that it has to pass by, to disappear? Why do you confuse yourself with that? Tell me.
Wrong belief, probably. A wrong belief.
A belief is wrong.
Yeah.
But why do you keep it? It's time not to keep it.
Yes.
Otherwise, that time will never come.
It's true.
Be struck by that. Yeah.
I see that life going on, things are happening, things are disappearing. There is some even of quietness, and I know that even that it's not it.
Very good. Then keep quiet now. Otherwise you again create something. Keep quiet, okay? You know it. Yes.
Shloka you want? One shloka you want?
Yeah.
Nodeti nastamitesha navridimyati nakshayam swayam vibhatyatanyani bhasayet sadanam vina. So, nodeti nakshayam yati. It doesn't rise, it doesn't set. Navradim yati. It doesn't grow, it doesn't shrink. Swayam vibhati. It shines by itself. Atanyani bhasayet sadhanam vina. And it shines without the help of any instrument.
Yeah. From where it is?
The same text. You said it last satsang in English, so
yeah,
that's right.
It's beautiful. It's dangerous, huh, after a shloka to add anything.
Just one other quick question. It's come up that you're not the mind or the body. But I've heard in our chats, I think on Monday, you said that the kind of true awareness is kind of similar to the heart. Something along those lines, like the heart. You mentioned it was similar.
Yeah,
in some
I
way.
vaguely remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was passing by that. It's not important.
No.
Quick answer.
Yeah, that's.